So guys, let's make a quick vegetable soup. So yeah, I have 4 tomatoes, 2 onions, and 1 scotch bonnet pepper. So we start by blending. I'm going to add the seasoning cube. And also some salt. I'll go ahead and add our pepper. I'll cover this and allow it to simmer. So guys, our soup, I think is almost ready. I'm going to be adding my protein. This is some assorted rice, beef. And I'm also going to be adding my smoked fish. I'll also be adding our meat stock. This is the stock from our meats. So let's cook that a little before we add our vegetable. So guys, before we add our vegetables, let's save the life of our fish, because the fish deserve to live. Live there. So now it's time to add our vegetables, our spinach though. This is our spinach. Also going to be adding some water because the soup is too thick. I'll cover it a little bit first so that the sauce and the spinach can marry each other. You know what I mean? So guys, our soup have been cooking. This is warm. Wow. You guys see it's dried up now, so we need some water. Not too much water though, just to lighten it up a bit. Okay, we added everything. Also go ahead and add a crayfish. Have to keep stirring. So I also have some prawn also. So it's time to add our fish again. So I'm just going to cover this soup and allow it to simmer. Meanwhile, our soup is good as ready.